Hello everyone! My name is Olivia Nathania. I am a second grade student from PTK Penabur Serang Primary School. Today, I want to tell you about my dream in the future. Since I was a kid, I have a dream to be a pediatrician. I love this profession because I was inspired by a pediatrician who I always visit. And I hope in the future I can help to cure many kids. I think being a pediatrician is a noble profession. I will be very proud if I can use the doctor uniform in the future. I will study very hard to achieve my dream when I grow up. This is my dream in the future. I hope I can achieve my dream. Thank you everyone and see you next time.